3. Listen to Nguyen talking with his friend Fong, who has just come back from a visit to Singapore, and decide if the sentences are true, T, or false, F.
Review 3. Page 37. Listening. Activity 3. Listen to Nguyen talking with his friend Phong, who has just come back from a visit to Singapore, and decide if the sentences are true or false.
Is Singapore really as clean as it's advertised?
Yes, it is.
How can they do that?
They have a very strict policy on keeping the environment clean. Before we started our tour, the tour guide warned us that we could be fined or arrested for spitting or littering.
But how would they know?
There are hundreds of officers in plain clothes. Their job is to blend into the crowd and spot anyone who breaks the law.
What would happen if you did break the law?
Well, for example, if you spat out your chewing gum in the street, you would be fined $200.
Really? But how could you know about it?
There are posters in public places to tell people what they should or shouldn't do.
That's a good idea.
And from a young age, children are taught how to behave at school and in the family.
Habits start early, right?
Yes, once you've learnt them, they become lifetime habits.